How to change number list in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can use number list in Google Docs, how you can customize it. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. Okay, so let me open Google Doc. Okay guys, so here you can see I have the bullet points here. Okay, so if you want to make it as a number list, you have to just select that list and go here at number list, and you can select any format. So I have select the first format here. Okay, and okay, and we have multiple format we can use: A B C D, Roman numbers, and the other 0 1 and all. Okay, okay, so this is number list. If you want to change the alignment, you can change. We have to just enable this ruler option. Okay, we need to go in view and make sure the show ruler is enabled. Now when you click on this list, these two indent icon will be enabled. Okay, so you can make the align. Just select the all list here and click on this triangle icon and hold it and drag as per your requirement, so you can align this list whenever you want. Okay, and we can also decrease space between the text and number. We need to select that number, just click one that number and select that indent, first line indent, and you can drag as per your requirement. Okay, so it will be applied to all numbers list. Okay, you can see in down I have two lists side by side, it also applied to them. Okay, applying to them. And you want to, if you want to make the multi-level numbering, then you can select the text that list here, just select the list, and here you can use that multi-leveling numbering. Okay, so if I use this one, just select the text, go and select this format and just hit the enter, then hit the tab. Okay, and write whatever you want. You can see this is multi-leveling has been generating. This is first point, this is a sub level, and this is another point. Okay, so here also you can change the alignment. Just click on this main primary number and change the alignment here. You can also change alignment of these numbers. Okay, if you want. Okay, so that is how we can change the numbers, or you can customize the numbering on Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.